Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we need to open the recents. Depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon, something like that. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. Of course, if you want to, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, I highly recommend to simply tap on this trash bin icon. Now we can go back, and sometimes your device will leave one app opened, but all you need to do is to simply swipe it up. And now we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.